Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. As we continue our C++ programming series, in this tutorial video we will discuss how to write a program using switch statement that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will display the the day correspond to that particular number that the user provided. We will call this program print a day using switch statement in C++. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So we are already here in our div C++ programming environment. So the first thing that I will do is to declare the file name of this program. Let's say for example days.cpp. Then I have here to write my name as the author of this program. And then the date when the time I wrote this program, October 18, 2019. Today is Friday, 6:03 a.m. and then my email address if you want to reach out to me, I have jkrpomperada@gmail.com if you have some questions. And then we have here, we declare the library file sharp include iostream. This library file is very essential in every C++ program because it allows us to use input-output statement just like console in, console out, for loop statement, basically the keywords or commands in C++, standard commands. And then using namespace std and main, and then int, let's say for example day equals 0. Okay, so console out \n to \n, then console out title of the program, print day, let's say print a day using switch statement in C++, console out to new line for formatting, console out \t horizontal tab, give a day, give a number. Okay, we are asking the user to give a number that correspond to our day. Now this portion of our program, we declare the title of our program print a day using switch statement in C++. After we have done that, we will ask a number from the user with the representation of this variable day, that is integer. So we will declare switch statement here, switch open parenthesis day begin, if it is 1, console out the given day is Monday. Okay, that is Monday. We'll copy this one for a new line. In switch we will put a break statement here. Okay, Then we will copy this one again. Two, number 2, we have here choose day. Okay, we will copy the whole thing. 3 and 4. So 3, let's say Wednesday, and then this one will be the day of Thursday. Okay, copy again, break statement. 5 is Friday, and then we have here 6, we have here Saturday, and then lastly Sunday. 7th day is Sunday. Okay, now if the user will give a date that does not belong from 1 to 7, we will using default statement. It is equivalent of else statement in other programming languages, no? In if statement, let's say for example invalid day, try again. Okay, so it will mention console out, new line, console out, lastly end of the program. After we are through with this, no, the next step that we will do, so let us review first. I declare a variable here, the title of our program, and then input the numerical value, and then switch statement. So we declare here until this one, default, and then end of the program. That tells the user that this is the last end of the program execution. The next step is to save our work. Very simple. Control S in dev C++, new, select new folder, days of the week, using switch statement. Double click this particular folder, and then here, let's say for example days cpp. This is the file name, this is the extension, .cpp. Click the save button, and then we will compile. No, we will compile our program first to check for syntax error. There is switch day. What is the error of this one? Token. What's wrong with our code? Let's say expected semicolon. Okay, what's the problem? What's the problem of this code? Let me okay. The problem of this code, I forgot to declare the word case. I'm very sorry, guys. Okay, I forgot to declare the word case, the keyword case in our switch statement. Okay, so we save, Control S, we will run our program. Okay, so let's say for example 3, print a day using switch statement in C++. Give a number. I will give a 3, that will be Wednesday. The given day is Wednesday. Now the problem with this is the horizontal tab, so I will put horizontal tab in every line of our statement. Save, compile and run. Okay, so let's say for example 6, that will be Saturday. Okay, give a number 6, Saturday. Run again, compile, run. But if the user will give a value that is out of the range, selection 9, invalid day, try again. If you want to run again the program, let's say for example to 1, give a number 1, it will represent the day, the given day is Monday, end of the program. Okay guys, so we are already done in our program, print a day using switch statement in C++. I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial. Switch statement is one of the most easiest type of conditional statement in C++. So before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Thank you for watching guys. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.